This video was requested by Ranjana. She was suffering from a lot of issues like headache, constipation, sleeplessness, tiredness, not able to focus to work, and weight gain. Now, these are some of the symptoms when your gut is unhealthy. The large intestine is the last structure to process your food taking. The undigested matter from the small intestine absorbing water from it and leaving the waste product called fecus. Kickstart your metabolism by consumption of this beetroot juice. Having this detox smoothie first thing in the morning will help you better absorption of all the essential nutrients. Beetroot is good for improving the flow of bowel movement if yours is running a bit slow, and is also loaded with a lot of vitamins and minerals. Whether you're looking for a colon cleanse smoothie recipe, smoothie for constipation and bloating, a liver cleanse and detox smoothie, or even smoothie to lower your blood pressure, then this beetroot smoothie is the right choice for you. Add quarter cup of chopped beetroot into a mixer jar or juicer, half cup of apple and 1 inch ginger. Add half cup of water to this and blend it into a fine juice. Add as much as water is required. You can add some ice cubes, or you can also warm this juice and drink. Drinking a smoothie made of beets and apples every day will get you a healthy dose of nutrients and fiber, thus improving your health. By making a beet smoothie recipe which incorporates both juice and fiber, you will be able to tackle the multiple problems at once: constipation, bloating, and inflammation, while getting a high amount of antioxidants. You can drink this smoothie every day morning on an empty stomach for a week to get maximum benefits out of this smoothie recipe.
Do like, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Leave your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you.